In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom header image in WordPress. This is a fantastic way to personalize your website and give it that unique touch that really captures the essence of your brand or personal style. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. Once you've arrived at the homepage, it's time to log into your account. Look for the login option, typically found at the top right of your screen, and give it a quick click. You'll then see the option to continue with Google. This feature makes logging in both quick and seamless, especially if you're already using your Google account regularly. Now, you need to select the Google account associated with your WordPress site. Simply click on the correct account and WordPress will guide you right into your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're inside your dashboard, you should see a panel on the right. Under quick links, there's an option that says Edit Site. Click on that and you'll be directed to a new page displaying your website. This area will provide you with an overview of your site's current design and layout. Next, you'll want to focus on the header section of your website. Locate your header and go ahead and click on it. This action will signal WordPress to allow you to make edits to this part of your site. After selecting your header, direct your attention to the right panel once again and click on Block. It's time to add some style to your header by navigating to the Styles tab. Clicking here will open up a world of possibilities for customizing your website's appearance. As you explore these options, look specifically for the background image section. Now here's the exciting part. You'll see an option labeled Add Background Image. Click on this and you'll be prompted to determine whether you want to upload a brand new image from your device or select one from your library. If you've got the perfect image already stored in your media library, go ahead and grab it from there. Otherwise, uploading something fresh and new is always an option, and a great way to keep your site feeling current. And there you have it. With these steps, your WordPress site's header image will be updated to reflect your personalized style. This process is a simple yet impactful way to make your site stand out. Thank you for following along with this guide. Don't forget to save your changes and check out how your new header looks live. I hope you'll enjoy playing around with these design features and find the perfect balance that truly represents your online presence. Until next time, happy customizing.